Hello. What's good, guys? What's good? Yesterday, I made a stupid mistake. I followed someone's trade and I lost. Can you guys imagine all this time I was right? I was waiting for markets to. Initially, during the London session, markets were buying, so I missed an opportunity. And patience space in this game. So I gave it time. Towards New York Open, the market started selling. So there was a position I had anticipated that price was going to that position. However, during the sale, I failed to get an entry, so I was patient enough, and I was waiting for buys all throughout the day. My bias was bullish. So I saw someone take a trade, and they kind of convinced me that price was going down even more. Let me open up. Here it is. So let me just switch this off. So this is okay. I woke up at around this time during London Open. No, I woke up late around this time, so I missed this buy. However, I knew that price would essentially go down before going up during the New York session, or towards the end of the London session. That's like from 3:30, 3:30. That's 8 a.m. the UTC. So when prices were going down, I tuned into this guy's live session. He was selling from this position around this place, from this fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap. This is the 5-minute time frame. So he was selling from this position. Now I was overcome with I was overcame with FOMO. So he said he was targeting these lows, Asian lows, these lows here. He was targeting these lows here, and he sold from this position here. His stop loss was here, targeting that's like a 2RR. Let me just turn these lots of paints on my chart. So this was what it actually convinced me. Somehow I forgot my London loss. I forgot that I was strictly looking for London loss before a bullish move. So I entered the trade and held it here. So when prices were dancing, were choppy around this place, I thought this was the formation of a breaker, a continuation breaker that will go down even more. So when you move on to a 15-minute time frame, you'll notice that it's actually a breaker. This is the breaker, but the second candle, the following 15-minute candle did not close below this breaker. So it was imminent that prices were going to reverse, and that's how my stop loss was hit. I lost, and I couldn't enter at this point because I was so heartbroken, and I kept blaming myself. I should have just followed my trading idea and my rules. So that's what happened yesterday. I missed a good trade. This was a good trade. This was a really good trade that I should have taken. But you know, trading, the markets award you based on your risk and your soberness. So somehow I wasn't sober. I had enough sleep the previous night. So there was a lot of factors, and I was just paranoid. I think from the lack of sleep. There are factors that really shape how we trade every day, and that's some of this. So let me put up some music while we observe the markets today. Tomorrow we are having unemployment data coming out from the US. Today I don't think if you have any bigger news today. Do we have any news today? I don't think so. So we just opened London's session. Oh, this was I marked a fair value gap here, and I'm anticipating price to come back to this 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, this is the fair value gap is around this place. So since this 1 hour, this an indicator showing an hour candle, so we have 1 minute 26 seconds or so and below for this before this candle closes. This is an 1 hour candle, so I'm anticipating price to come and close up inside this fair value gap. It's a 15-minute 1 hour fair value gap. So let me just pull it out. You can see other candles have already been candles that were coming from the top have already been because I've just made the visibility of 6 candles, 6 1 hour candles only. These are 6. So once this one, in the next 45 seconds, once this one, the timer goes to 0 and the timer starts at 1 for the other 1 hour candle, this one will be shut down or will disappear. So let me put 8 for you to see the initial candle. So yeah, this is the fair value gap I was talking about. 9 is good. Yes, 9 is good. This is the fair value gap I'm talking about, this shaded area. Although we can see that price already tapped into the fair value gap. I'm hoping these prices come back into the fair value gap as well. So I'll just be patient. And I'm trading in some guys, man. These guys have a massive I don't think a massive spreads. Let me pull them out here so you guys can see them. So there's a competition I'm trying to compete in, and I'm not happy with the straight this is the competition. So just close this down. I don't think the trades are good. I'm already down like $2,000. These guys have massive spreads, so let me just take a position like a sell position now. Oh, this time it worked. Let me take a buy, see where the buy will take place. Just see where the buy is executed from. I took a buy when the price for this is US 500 is at 74.82, but it's executed at 74.85. That's massive, man. That's a huge difference. That's so huge. They are called headway. I don't think these guys are good. I don't think so. I'll not advise anyone to trade with those guys. By the way, guys, in 2 days time we're having I'm hoping this one forms an inverted fair value gap. It's actually an inverted fair value gap. So why did I close that trade? I shouldn't have closed the trade. Here we have an inverted fair value gap. This was formed, so these prices will just tap into this inverted fair value gap and keep going up. So let me take another trade, and just a trade right now. A buy in this competition account. Three lots are good, so it's a buy. See where this execution takes place. These guys are not real, man. They are not real. Take profit should. I think we are going to override that fair value gap because it was violated initially. So I'll target these highs around this place. And that's like 74.98. Oh, you're not seeing. Sorry. Let me add it. Window capture, video capture, display capture. Which is it? Window. Is it a window? That's like headway. Okay, select the window is headway. This one. Okay. So let me put this one off. So this is the guys I was talking about. You see, I just put up a buy position, and I'm already down like $100 on, but I'm positive we are going up, and my target should be 74.98. That's like 1300 points. My stop loss will be whoa, what's happening? My stop loss will be about 50% of this. 50% of this tail, so that's like around this place, 74, 73. Is it 73? 71. Just like roughly 1-to-1 RR. So how that's good. So yeah, let's see what happens here now. We are 6 minutes down. Oh, I was saying we're having a webinar conference in 2 days by that's Empire FX, and all of you are welcome. You are really welcome. What happened to my display? Let me fix that. Is it back? Is it back? Is it back? Hey, you're still going down. What's going on, man? But I'm confident we are going up still. Maybe you're just filling in some liquidity and then go up. I'm still bullish. So as I said, my stop loss will be 50% of this week and thereabouts. So this price here. So my stop loss will be here. Now I entered a long position here. Target is this size. With my stop loss 50% is this place. That's what we're looking at. We are not hoping anymore, guys. We are not hoping. You are just right. This trade is solid. The trade is very solid. I might have entered earlier, but to me the trade is very solid. We're like 2 hours into the London session, so just have to be patient. All the same, I'll be waiting for New York session to make major trade. So I think this is going to be our London low. However, we never know. The price might come down even lower. But to me, this is our London low. We already taken our Asian low. My target is these highs here. These highs around this place. So once our London low, our London highs are formed, and this is our midnight open. This line here. So our target is our midnight open. Then today I'm also bullish on buyers. I'm bullish with my buyers. Targeting high, so our previous day low is here. So if this setup fails, then be targeting previous day lows if it fails, but you never know, anything can happen. Previous day high here. So take a trade targeting our previous day highs. London might decide to consolidate before hitting these highs. All the same, I'm still bullish, as I said. This range, I don't think we are coming down yesterday's range with this low and this high, so that we just come straight into it now. I think we might go up, take this liquidity high, then maybe think about the loss. Let me check out the other model where my 2200 is. What my 2200 says, hey, which has been selling the last like 16 hours. So yeah, we might go down. We might. The 2200 shows a strong sell. Then what would be our target? We already have a equal loss. We have not. The prices have not taken out any higher time frame liquidity zone. So for me, I think this is our reversal point. These the 200, not the 2200, is our reversal point. So we are reversing upwards, and this will be a great place to have our order block, maybe a daily order block. Also have where the position where I drew our 1 hour fair value gap is also a position where we have a 4 hour fair value gap. This is what I'm talking about. This 4 hour fair value gap. So price might come into this fair value gap, purge to it, then form. That's what I expect form an inverted fair value gap, so that during the London opening, price comes into this inverted fair value gap, then targets higher prices. So this is both 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gap.
mbona kichwa chako kimekuwa mfupa?
here we just crossed into the green zone. Green. This thing is missing me up. I think I just think the stream. I'll stream during the New York Open, New York session. Now in the meanwhile I'll let this trade run, because I'm very positive about it. As I said, we just took out this liquidity, which is also the Asian low. Just took out this, so I'll just let this trade run, and I'll be back during the just like in the next 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, and we'll pick up from there.